Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about addition and subtraction of fractions. This maths is intended for grade 7 and 8 students. I have here, number 1, 5 over 3 plus 3 over 2 is divided by 1 over 2 minus 3 over 3. So need to simplify the numerator first. Find the LCD between 3 and 2. So if you don't know how to find the LCD, just multiply. So this will be 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 5, that will be 10. Then plus 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 3 is 9. Then how about the denominator? The same as what we did in numerator. So find the LCD. 6 because 2 times 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1, 3. Minus 6 divided by 3, 2 times 3, 6. Okay? So this will be 19 over 6 divided by, what is 3 minus 6? This is minus 3 over 6. Okay, so this will be right first, 19 over 6, the first fraction. And then change this division operation to multiplication. And then take the reciprocal of the denominator. So this will be 6 over negative 3. The same, cross out. So this will be negative 19 over 3. Since this is improper fraction, so need to divide this one to convert to the mixed fraction or mixed number. So this will be 19 divided by 3. So how many 3 do I have in 19? So this will be 6. This will be 18. So I have here 1. So this will be 3. And then 6. And then I have 1. So the answer is 6 and 1/3. Take note the negative is missing. So this is my answer for number 1. That's all.